Remember when Apple sued Samsung over the shape and the look of its smartphones and won hundreds of millions in damages? Well, that was not a utility patent fight. It was all about design patents. So design patents protect the way a product looks, not the way it works. And in today's crowded market, where aesthetics and visual identity define brands, design patents are an underrated but incredibly powerful weapon for securing competitive advantage. So here's a challenge. Most innovators underestimate design patents. They rush to file utility patents for function, but ignore the fact that competitors often copy the look, the element consumers actually see and connect with. To make matters worse, design patents live and die by their drawings. File with incomplete or imprecise figures, and your protection is either unenforceable or easy to design around. Meanwhile, if you wait too long to file and launch your product without protection, you might lose rights altogether, especially overseas. So, smart companies use design patents strategically. The drawings define the scope, provide multiple views, front, back, side perspective, and establish the design clearly. Novelty matters. Prior art isn't just old patents, it's global catalogs, websites, and even product listings. A thorough search avoids rejections and invalidations. Timing is critical. File before wide disclosure to preserve international rights. In fast-paced consumer markets, missing this window is costly. Integrate with other rights. Pair design patents with trade dress for long-term brand protection, or with utility patents to reinforce both form and function. From apparel to consumer electronics, design patents work alongside a broader IP strategy to lock in competitive positioning and pricing power. So consider Apple versus Samsung, the case that proved just how valuable design patents can be. Apple successfully enforced patents around the iPhone's appearance, not its software or functionality, leading to one of the most famous IP damages award in history. The key takeaway: protecting the look of your product can be just as powerful as protecting how it works. And in industries like fashions, wearables, packaging, and consumer electronics, it can be the deciding factor in whether your design builds brand loyalty or gets knocked off and commoditized. So, in a fast-moving and crowded marketplace, the aesthetics of your product are the strategy. Design patents give innovators enforceable right to protect the visual identity, deter the copyrights, and strengthen the brand value. They are not afterthoughts, they are real assets. If you're getting ready to launch a distinctive product design, don't wait until it's copied to act. Partner with Patent PC to ensure your design patent strategy is unique and as defensible as your product. Drop a comment about which industry, fashion, technology, or consumer good you think design patents matter most in. And check out our other videos for more insights on protecting innovations with IP.